Hello Rhinos, how are you all doing? Today we're going to talk about 2 packed lunches that you can prepare quickly so you can take to work and eat instead of binging on junk food. Let's get into it. My name is John Collett, and in March 2018 I got diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and within 6 months I managed to reverse my condition naturally, and I want to help you do the same thing. So the 2 lunches that we're going to be preparing today is going to be a ham wrap and a lettuce wrap. Let's get started. So we're going to do the ham wraps first, and I want to make it clear at this point, you want to make sure you're using ham on the bone, because this is just ham which has been cut from the bone. It's not been processed, it's not been worked in any shape or form, so it's a natural food. So what we're going to do is take the ham out and we're going to lay it flat on the chopping board, so it's going to be laid down like a piece of bread. So we're going to fill the wrap with organic cheese and lettuce. Now, to make sure what we do here, my advice to you is to make sure you always use full fat organic cheese. The reason for this is fat is good, it burns slowly in your body, okay, which means it releases the energy slower. Also, when you think about what a cow should eat, do you think that a cow eats grass or do you think it eats hay? Well, when you eat non-organic cheese, it's eating hay, and this is where E. coli, and there's really good documentaries like Food Inc. out there that you can watch to educate yourself on that, where if you have organic cheese, the cows are fed by grass, so it's all natural. So first we're going to grate the cheese. So the trick here is to layer in the middle, and you'll see why in a bit. Then we're going to lay the lettuce on, keeping it all in the middle. And then we're going to put our cucumber slices on. So now comes the tricky nut bit, which is the rolling, which is always fun. Roll this up, and then parcel this up, and then we're going to fold it over. And now this is where, if you were smart, you would have had your cling film ready if you wish to get it ready for work. But I'm going to eat this straight away, so I'm going to stick it on a plate. Let me show you the finished result. So the next one we're going to make is the lettuce wrap. What you want to do is take a section of lettuce and then pull it off as close to the stalk as possible. So we're going to pull off a couple of these. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wash them and dry them. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spread them with hummus. We want to make sure here you're using the full fat version. What you got to remember is normally when you have a low fat option, what they're going to do is they're going to stick extra sugar in it so it tastes nice, because fat tastes nice. And yet again, also fat means that the energy is going to expend itself slower in your body and make you feel fuller for longer, so you're not going to be snacking in between. So next we're going to put on the chicken breast. Yet again, you want to make sure this is real chicken breast, okay? That's put in there. If you want to use a real chicken, that's fine. You just need to chop it down, maybe slightly smaller pieces than this. But what you can do then is just put this on your lettuce. And what we're going to do is going to roll these from right to left so that the end stalk bits are the last solid pieces. Yet again, if you want to put these in cling film, you can. Job done. As you can see, even an idiot like me can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So there you are, 2 dishes that you can prep to take out with you, which are really quick, all natural ingredients, only have complex natural carbs and plenty of fat to give you energy through the day. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to stick a link in the description below where you can get a list of all the foods that I eat which are good for you as a type 2 diabetic. Stick in your name and your email address and we'll send it to you. But if you're more interested in following our 12-week program where you can get a dedicated meal plan and shopping list to help you with your type 2 diabetes, there'll be another link down there. Click on that, that'll take you to a website and you can then book a call with me so we can discuss if the program is the right fit for you. So let's give this a try. Oh, really good, really good. Remember, you're not a number, you're a rhino. Now charge.